Hello everyone, good day and welcome to the AutoCAD class for the Opsam CAD Blast 2023. Now, my name is Ezekiel Ufomaloki, a graduate of the Federal University of Technology, Akure, and I'll be your tutor for this class. First off, before we go into the class proper, it's insightful that we understand what AutoCAD entails. Now, as planners, we are used to doing manual drawings. As you can see the picture on your screen, we look at this guy actually doing the plan. We all are used to this, where we spend hours drawing on the table, and trust me, it can be so stressful. Now, because of this stress, some people started thinking, how can we make it easier? Since we are doing a lot of designs and all, how can we make it easy for us to actually um, get it lighter and probably spend less time doing this repetition and all that. And so an idea came. Now, when the idea came, something like this came on board. Now, this other picture, you see someone pressing a laptop, and on the table, you see some papers. Now, this is what innovation costs, and this is what brings us to understanding the lesson AutoCAD. So let's go into our study material. First of all, what is AutoCAD? Now, AutoCAD it stands for Automatic Computer Aided Design. Like the word auto, the word auto stands for automatic computer aided design. That's what the CAD stands for. Now it is a software that was actually introduced by Autodesk in the early 90s. Sorry, in the late 90s. Now what they did was this. They wanted to actually make drafting easier for those who are in the engineering field, architectural field, and those who literally deal with drafting, because we know it's not easy to do long hours of drafting at all. So they developed the software, and over time it has actually evolved. Now the software actually has various functions. We have the drawing and the drafting um, the drawing and the drafting features. Now I'm going to be opening my AutoCAD. I've already launched it. I'm using the 2023 version, and I'm going to open the open a new project. So as I discuss the tools, I will literally um, be telling us what it means. Now, I'm sorry, I clicked on open. That was why you are seeing this feature open. So I'm going to click on new. I'm going to be starting a new drawing. Now, when you open your AutoCAD interface, this is what you see. Now, let's come back to sorry, let's come back to now this drawing and drafting. AutoCAD provides a wide range of tools for creating 2D drawings. Now, they can draw lines, shapes, arc, and text with high accuracy. And we use them for architectural plans, for models, for floor plans, mechanical drawings, and the like. Now, even our layout plans, that's what we use. Now, let's go back to AutoCAD and see this tool. Now, come over here. This is the line tool. Over here is a line tool. The line, it creates lines. Okay. Now, but in this particular line, all entities are actually separate entities. This is a line tool. Now, over here, you have the polyline tool. Now, the polyline tool works like line. However, everything forms as a single unit. Now, this is it. I'm creating something like this. Now, when I click on this, you see everything is one. It's actually highlighting as a single object. That is the polyline. Now, we also have the circle, which helps to create circles. We have the arc, which helps to create arc from like three, using three, you have to click on 3 points, and so on. This is the drawing tool. Okay, now this is what we have here, the drawing and the drafting tool. You understand? Now, we also have the 3D models. Now, the 3D models, they literally translate your work from 2D to 3Ds. You understand? And AutoCAD supports 3D. We also have the parametric drawings, whereby you can use construction lines and the rest to actually create elements which you want. We also have the layer management. Now, over here is the layer management that literally talks about the various layers we're having. Now we are not done, we have not done that, but as we proceed on the classes, we'll be able to see this whole thing and understand it better. Okay, I'm going to come back to this screen later on and explain everything to us. But for now, I just want to give us the breakdown of what we are having. So the next one is what we call the annotation and dimensioning. This is for dimensioning. In case I want to do my dimensions, I can easily come here and do my dimensions. Okay, now this is dimension tool where you actually dimension your object. Okay, now the next one we're having is the import and export. Now with AutoCAD, you can literally import your file from another source, even from online, and you can also export your file into different formats. Okay, but as we proceed, we actually understand all of this. We also have the customization tool, which helps you to customize your script and interface. You can actually create a lot of things with AutoCAD. And you also have the collaboration tools. You can also use AutoCAD to can collaborate with others. You can actually do something here in Nigeria, and and someone else in India will be working with you at the same time on the same project. You understand? So we also have industry specific tools, which literally for all industries that use AutoCAD, they also have their specific tools which are unique to them. However, we all have common tools like the lines, the polyline, and all, which are useful to each to all of the different profession. So with this, we start with the introduction, and the next video we'll talk a little bit about AutoCAD and this recap how AutoCAD came about. Then before we go into the class proper. Thank you.